Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to optimize their e-commerce site: A/B testing. If you are not already using A/B testing, you are missing out on a data-driven way to boost your conversions, reduce bounce rates, and improve overall site engagement. First thing first, you need to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your A/B test? Are you going to improve your conversions, or aiming to reduce your bounce rates, or maybe boosting your engagement? Now it's time to formulate a hypothesis. This is simply an educated guess about what change will impact your goals. Let's say you are planning to change the color of your buy now button from green to red. That you're thinking that it will increase your conversion by 10%. That's your hypothesis. Make sure your hypothesis is based on data, user research, or even insights from other successful A/B tests. Now, create variations of the elements you wanted to test. The key here is to change only one element at a time. For example, if you are testing a button color, don't also change the text or size of the button. This way, you can clearly see how each specific change impacts performance. Once your variations are ready, it's time to split your website's traffic between the original version, that is commonly known as the control, and the new version, or the variation. You can use A/B testing tools like Optimizely, Google Optimize, or VWO to automate this process and ensure traffic is evenly divided. Now it's time to let the test run. Make sure to run it long enough to collect a statistically significant amount of data. This might depend upon your traffic volume and the size of the change. Don't rush. Let the test gather enough data to ensure accurate results. Once the test concludes, it's time to analyze the results. Did the variation perform better than the control? Look at metrics like conversion rates, bounce rates, call-through rates, click-through rates, and the time the customer spends on the site. If one version is a clear winner, you can implement that change across the website. Finally, A/B testing is an ongoing process. Once you have found a winning variation, you can begin testing another element on your site. It could be a headline, product image, or even navigation styles. By continuously iterating and testing, you will stay ahead of your competition and create the best experience for your customers. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover some common mistakes that you will want to avoid when running an A/B test. Testing too many variations. As I mentioned earlier, focus on testing one element at a time. Be mindful of external factors that could skew your results. For example, if you are running a test during a holiday season or a big sales event, the surge in traffic might impact your people interaction with the site. Always try to test during a steady period for the most accurate results. And that's it. A/B testing is a powerful tool that every e-commerce businesses should be using to optimize their site performances. Remember, the key to successful A/B testing is to test small, test one element at a time, and make data-driven decisions. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.